Take on-screen notes anytime over any content with the Samsung Interactive Display WAF. Navigate to the always visible sidebar menu to access the markup tool. Then select the color, width, and opacity of your digital pen. And mark up diagrams or text to call attention to critical details. When it's time to erase, use your palm just as you would on a whiteboard. Once you're done, save the image for later by pressing the markup button and the green download button. Share the annotations through email, connected cloud drives, or onto a connected USB. You can draw on any on-screen content, including live video. Or the meeting attendees can share content to the board through connected devices. Bring new life into your meetings with the Samsung Interactive Display.